Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a super important topic for all you Mac users out there: how to update macOS. Is your Mac feeling sluggish? Are you missing out on the latest features? Or maybe you just want to make sure your system is secure. Updating macOS is the answer. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. We'll cover checking your current macOS version. Backing up your Mac, because safety first. Downloading and installing the update. Troubleshooting common issues. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get started. And hey, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tricks. Let's keep your tech running smoothly. Okay, first things first, let's check what version of macOS you're currently running. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. You'll see a window pop up with information about your Mac, including the macOS version. Take a note of that. This is useful to know which updates are available for you. Now before we dive into the update process, there's one crucial step: backing up your Mac. Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Things can occasionally go wrong during updates, and having a backup will save you a ton of headache. The easiest way to back up your Mac is using Time Machine, Apple's built-in backup software. To access Time Machine, either search for it in Spotlight, that's the magnifying glass in the top right corner, or find it in System Preferences, now called System Settings in newer macOS versions. Connect an external hard drive to your Mac. Time Machine will then ask if you want to use this drive for backups. Select Use as Backup Disk. Time Machine will automatically back up your entire Mac, including your system files, apps, and personal data. This might take a while, especially the first time, so be patient. You can set Time Machine to back up automatically on a regular basis, which is highly recommended. Alright, with your backup safely in place, let's move on to downloading and installing the update. Click on the Apple logo again and this time, select System Preferences, or System Settings if you're on a newer version of macOS like Ventura or Sonoma. Look for Software Update. It might be in a slightly different location depending on your macOS version, but it should be pretty easy to find. Click on it. Your Mac will now check for available updates. If there's an update available, you'll see it listed here. You might see an option to upgrade to the latest version of macOS, or you might see a smaller security update, or macOS update for your current version. Pay attention to the details. If you're planning on upgrading to a completely new version of macOS, like going from Monterey to Ventura, make sure your Mac is compatible. Apple's website has a list of compatible Macs for each version of macOS. If you're happy with the available update, click Update Now or Upgrade Now. You might be prompted to enter your administrator password. The download process will begin. This can take a while depending on your internet connection and the size of the update. You can continue using your Mac while the download is in progress, but try to avoid doing anything too resource-intensive. Once the download is complete, your Mac will start the installation process. This usually involves restarting your computer. Just follow the on-screen instructions. During the installation, your Mac will restart a few times. Don't panic. This is perfectly normal. Just let it do its thing. The installation process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, or even longer depending on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, your Mac will restart one last time and you'll be greeted with the login screen. Log in and you're all set. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are a few common issues you might encounter during a macOS update and how to troubleshoot them. Stuck download. If the download seems stuck, try pausing it and resuming it. If that doesn't work, restart your Mac and try again. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Installation errors. If you get an error message during installation, try restarting your Mac in safe mode, hold down the Shift key while your Mac starts up, and then try the update again. Not enough disk space. Make sure you have enough free disk space before you start the update. Apple usually recommends at least 20 gigabytes of free space. Compatibility issues. As mentioned earlier, make sure your Mac is compatible with the update you're trying to install. If you're still having trouble, you can try resetting the NVRAM or SMC on your Mac. There are plenty of online guides that can walk you through that process. And of course, you can always reach out to Apple support for help. So there you have it. a complete guide on how to update macOS on your Mac. It's a simple process, but it's an important one to keep your Mac running smoothly and securely. Remember to back up your Mac before you start, be patient during the download and installation process, and don't hesitate to troubleshoot if you run into any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more Mac tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or any specific issues you encountered when updating your macOS, so we can help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Outro music fades in.